Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh Chief Mohan Bhagwat on Friday inaugurated the 3-day Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha in Bengaluru. The Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh is being held in Karnataka's Bengaluru from March 21st to 23rd. During the interaction with the press, Joint General Secretary of the RSS, Mukunda CR, spoke on the situation on Manipur. He said Manipur has been in a bad state for the last 20 months, but we have some hope because of the way central government and the society there have come forward and started working. Listen in what he has to say on the situation on Manipur.
As per Manipur, since we are a social organization, our efforts is more about bringing in two tribal groups which are fighting there, that is Meitei and Kukis. So we have our workers and our Swayamsevaks, our organization among both Kukis and Meiteis, and we are trying to bring in the leadership in both the communities to sit together. Yes, there are many things which have to be solved politically, and some of the decision has to be taken by central government. They are doing their work. We are helping the people of Manipur by bringing communities together. For the sake of some reason, I will not reveal the names, but many of the leaders of both the communities, we are in touch with them, and we have held some of the meetings both in Imphal, Guwahati, or even in Delhi, so that some harmony could be achieved. Yes, there are other aspects of this problem. It's a very complex problem. Whatever influence and whatever, I would say, moral connections we have with the leadership of both the communities, we are trying out our best, and it is giving results. And also, we held hundreds of relief camps when there was so much of violence and there were thousands of refugees in their own homeland. So we held many of the relief camps. Our Swayamsevak Karyakartas from all over the country, they helped with not only food, even with some of the things which are needed to run their families. So it's going on since 20 months. But now, as I said, there are some hope in the people and also in our organization, where, as we all know, President's rule has been declared, and there are things that could be set right administratively. But as I told as we have mentioned in our report, it will take very long time to heal the wound that has been done in these 20 months.
Mukunda CR also spoke on the delimitation exercise. He said that same ratio of seats for the southern states will be considered. Listen in what he specifically has to say on the delimitation exercise.
When it comes to delimitation, the central government, our Home Minister has, I think he has told in Parliament also in Coimbatore about 20-25 days back, that it will be held based on the ratio. That is, if some southern state is having some number of Lok Sabha seats today in 544 total number of seats, that ratio will be held as it is when it is expanded. If it is expanded, the whole decision has to be taken by the central government. It's not the space for RSS to say something, how much number, how much ratio, all those things. But as per media reports, I have also read that Home Minister has told the press in Coimbatore the same ratio will be held when it is expanded. But other than this, there are many things, as I said, mostly politically motivated when it comes to For example, having the symbol of rupee or in a local language, or about language. So these things could be addressed